Hey, it's Trevor from Upright Health. If you're working out at home and using bands, you're probably gonna need to attach them to something. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do that. If you're super serious about your band attachments, you can install an eye hook anywhere, like we have in our gyms and of course in Matt's house. And all you're gonna do is put one side through, so you have a little hole here, and then throw the other side through that hole, pull it nice and tight, and now you're attached to the wall. If you don't have an eye hook, you're gonna need to find some sort of pole-like structure. This could be a banister, really anything that, if you have a stripper pole at home, good use. Wrap around, same idea. We're gonna take the hole, throw the other side through, pull it nice and tight. Now you have a band attached to a pole. If you have a pole that is pretty big like this, you might run into a problem where you don't have enough band to do what you want to do. So what you can do instead is attach two bands together like we've done here, and then set up the exact same way. And now you have a lot of band to work with. Another option is with a door. Loop it around doorknob and pull the door closed. Now I can use the band on this side of the door. This is the safe way. Don't try and do it the other way around with the door opening towards the side you're gonna work out on. You can also, if you want a higher fixed point that's not at doorknob level, you can just tie a small knot in your band and use that instead for your attachment point. If you need your attachment point above you, a pull-up bar is a great option. So same way as before, small hole, stick the other end through, and we're attached. If you're doing this to a pull-up bar in your doorway, make sure that it's safe to pull at an angle before you try. Some pull-up bars that you put in doorways, you can't pull at angles. They can only be pulled down or else they'll fall off the door. If you don't have a pull-up bar to attach above you, tie a knot, as we did before in the door, put this at the top of the door, and now you have an attachment point above you, even if you don't have a pull-up bar. If you do have an eye hook and you want to make it super simple, you can take a carabiner and put your band in the carabiner and hook it there. The nice thing about this is you can have multiple things, all of your various bands that you want attached, just nice and easily clipped on that carabiner, and now you can plug and play for whatever exercise you need to do. Now you have plenty of options to attach your bands, whether you're outside, in your house, in a hotel, wherever you find yourself needing to work out. We use bands in plenty of our programs, like the One Up program. If you want to learn how to move confidently, check out the One Up program in the description box below. Like and subscribe, and as always, pain sucks, life shouldn't. Talking. Can you hear me?